So when you press buttons on this in dive bomb mode, it doesn't do anything. I don't know, but
Holy crap. That's amazing.
let's change the attack time. What happens when we do that?